think if I were you, I'd try to cut the branch and carry it down.
Please stop talking. I'm going to try and do it now, Anita.
Well, do it. I'm filming.
There's a lot of bees in there.
Yeah, if I were you, I'd probably move.
Yep,
Just
I will.
in case.
As soon as I'm done, I'll
I'm
move.
talking to Lou.
Okay.
He's got short sleeves.
Okay.
If you cut just on the side of that, yeah.
Okay, we have a swarm of bees here. Glenna's gonna cut the branch and hopefully
Well, you're really digging them up now. Huh?
replace
fine.
them into a hive. I heard a lot of buzzing earlier, and this is, I don't know if you can see them swirling, but
And cut right where you are, bees.
Okay.
Right spot.
All right.
You ain't gonna. I need the other part. That might
What?
push into this.
leave the tall part and carry that down.
that?
Yep.
And carry this.
I leave that part for cushion.
Okay.
Drop it.
Yep.
You better just to see if you can hang it inside. Up a little, right? Yeah, up a little before that branch, right there. Yeah.
Right here?
Yeah.
Yep.
Because you got a branch on the other side, you don't want to cut it all.
No, I don't want to cut that.
Other side, you got a branch sticking out there.
Yes, I see it. Right here?
Yeah, leave that.
Yeah, I'm going to leave that.
Go on the other side. Yeah, right in there.
Right in. I am right in there. I want it. I want to leave something to hold on
I
to.
say cut it right there, the best place.
Oh, I see what you mean.
Yeah,
I see. Okay.
yeah, you
Got
won't
it.
bother with that, other people won't bother you. Oh, you are shaking them off.
I know. Well, they'll follow the queen. She's in the middle of that. That's why you need to back up.
Holy God. I'm out of here.
Yeah, you should be out of there. I don't know if you can see the swarming. You can hear it.
It's too bad you don't have gloves on, Anita.
Why, you want me to take it?
Yeah.
Hold on. You want me to take it over here?